This session will see the lab program. So as I said before, we are going to learn theory and lab parallelly. This particular topic you have also in theory and you are going to do it in lab also. So lab experiment, according to the list of lab experiment, this is the fifth experiment. Experiment says print temperature and humidity using DHT22 sensor with Raspberry Pi board. So all these experiments we have seen with Arduino, now we are using Raspberry Pi board. So DHT sensor, DHT means digital humidity temperature sensor. This particular sensor will read humidity and temperature. So it is also named as AM2302. It is a digital output related humidity and temperature sensor which uses a capacity humidity sensor, and it also has a thermistor to measure the surrounding air and spits out a digital signal on a data pin. So the output you are going to get in a form of digital signal. So the description of DH2 sensor, DH2 sensor looks like this, which consists of 4 different pins. First pin is VCC pin. It is a power supply pin where voltage is been applied in the range of 3.5 volts to 5 volts at some particular pin in the board. Next pin is data out. It is a digital output pin. It sends out the value of measured temperature and humidity in a form of serial data. Next N/C is a not connected pin. You are not using that particular pin for connection. Next GND is a connected to ground pin to the main board. So these are the connection. This is the DH2 sensor. As mentioned in the previous slide, you are going to connect these pins to one of the pins in the Raspberry Pi board GPIO 40 pins. So for writing the program for this, in order to read the temperature and humidity using the DH2 sensor, in order to write that program, first you need to install libraries. So first one, update both the package list and install list. For that you are going to type these 2 commands in the terminal, sudo apt get update. Same way sudo apt get upgrade. So these are the 2 commands that you are going to give in the terminals. Second step is to install Adafruit DHT library to the Raspberry Pi, and then for that sudo pip3 install Adafruit DHT. So Adafruit is a particular library where you can write the methods in order to collect the temperature and humidity from the DH222 sensor. So the program for this is, after installing the library, you need to import that library. That's why first statement of the program will be import Adafruit DHT. Here you are importing the library into your Python code. Next statement is DHT-sensor is equal to Adafruit DHT.DH22. So that means here specifying that you are using DHT sensor in your particular code. For that this is the statement. Next DHT-pin is equal to 4. So the 4th pin of the Raspberry Pi board you are connecting DH2 sensor. Next we are writing a method in a loop, while loop. So here humidity comma temperature is equal to Adafruit underscore DHT dot read underscore retry. This is a method which is from the library Adafruit DHT. This method consists of parameters like DHT underscore sensor comma DHT underscore pin here. So DHT underscore pin is the pin number that we have taken in the board. We have chosen as pin number 4. So DHT underscore sensor, this variable will sense the temperature or humidity. Now what is the meaning of this method Adafruit underscore DHT dot read is, it is trying to read the value from the air surrounding us, and retry is the one if it is unable to sense, it is going to execute another time. This method automatically it will execute another time and trying to read the temperature again. If it is failing, it is reading again. That is the meaning of read underscore retry. So this method specifically functions in that way. Next, if humidity is not none and temperature is not none, then what you are going to do? You are going to print. That means not none means the sensor particular DHT sensor is reading some value. So that value you want to print it on the output. For that you are writing the print statement, print. So this whole statement is a statement for you to reorganize the output in the output window. So temperature is equal to 0.1 F, in the same way humidity. So this is the format method that you are using in order to print it. So here you are going to print the temperature value and humidity value, else you say fail to read the temperature value from the sensor. So this is the particular program for that. Next, the output, this is the screenshot that you are connecting it, all the pins, and the output you are going to get temperature is equal to 34.8. Okay, it is Celsius format. In order to get that format, you are using format method in the program.